something that's really unexpected. But as y'all see by the title, the ingredients, and what's going on and what's about to happen. Got the ground turkey, the sauce, and everything as y'all see. But y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all eating right now, what y'all cooking right now, what y'all been snacking on. What is y'all favorite meal and everything y'all like to put in y'all food? Y'all look how this came out. Nice, juicy. Do y'all want to play? Y'all let me know in the comments what type of meals, what y'all want to bake, what y'all want me to cook, and what type of ideas y'all have. Y'all take care. More videos on the way. Go click on the playlist. Go check out the rest of them. And feel free. I'm about to head out. Enjoy this meal. Stuff myself. Y'all enjoy your night, day, morning, whatever the time is by y'all. Y'all take care. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.